There you go, guys. Pag-uusapan naman natin ngayon ang kwintas ng pagmamahal. Yan ay sinasabi during the graduation sa mga magulang as well as to the students nag-graduate, right? So, yan yung nilalagay na pinakang necklace, garland. And yung ibang mga parents, they prefer na magsabit ng money garland, right? So, sa pagsabit, if you choose to have money garland para isabit sa inyong mga anak or isabit sa inyo ng mga anak nyo or both, it's up to you, right? Because all of us, we have the freedom to express what we want to express, especially if it's happiness and we are not violating anyone we are not violating anyone ng violent na action natin as well. So that's good, 'di ba? Nobody can stop us in doing that, right? But we must be responsible enough dun sa pera, not to damage yung pera para lang magawa natin siyang necklace, right? So, just be reminded of that. So, nothing is wrong with that. Yung iba candies, yung iba orchids. So, it's up to you guys. Do it!